Welcome back to Inspiring Builds. Do you have plastic sun-faded chairs or chalky ones like this? I had 4 of these Adirondack chairs lined up for the trash, but found an easy way to restore them that didn't cost me any money that I wanted to share with you. Taking just a couple minutes of time, I was able to take the chair on the left and make it look like the chair on the right. Many of you have seen me do Shishugibon project builds using this exact torch that I will provide a link to in the description below. It's super simple to use and hooks to a propane tank. Power wash the chairs before starting the restoration process. Adjust the torch's flame down to a minimum, and for this chair, I didn't even depress the handle. Watch all the way through, and after the first chair, I will show a technique that allowed me to restore a chair in less than 2 minutes. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss any of these tutorials. Behind me I have a bucket of water along with a fire extinguisher if ever needed. I've never needed it, fortunately, and burn over gravel or concrete with good clearance away from the house. I recommend wearing gloves as I've done in previous videos, as well as eye protection. No excuses here, as I should have had gloves on, as I always try to lead by example. I heard of this being done in stadium seating, as well as seen other plastics being renewed with smaller torches that gave me this idea to try. I had the Big Mac's torch out working on another project, and last minute found out more people was coming to a party than expected. I couldn't have anyone sit on the chalky seats and figured I didn't have anything to lose trying this method to renew them. Let me know in the comments below if you have a method you prefer to restore yours. When using the torch, you want to make consistent passes and only heat the area enough to bring the color back. This is heating up the surface of the plastic, bringing the oil to the surface. Some people may ask if you can use a heat gun, and I recommend a torch. These chairs lasted over 10 years in pretty rough weather conditions. Restoring them should last a similar time frame of them being new, but I would recommend using a UV protective clear durable top coat afterwards. Rust-Oleum makes a good product that I will provide a link to below. Keep in mind, results on how long the restoration will last will depend on several factors such as the type of plastic, weather conditions, and if you used a UV protection after torching them. Having the torch's flame adjusted down to a minimum, and then depressing the handle made super quick work of the restoration process. This torch is seriously impressive, completing the job of a chair using the technique in less than 2 minutes. I really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out the channel if you'd like to see other videos using the torch and a Shishugibon technique. Like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I release new videos.